Hey guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Inside Organon. In today's video we will be discussing few of the questions that you wanted me to answer. On every Tuesday I upload such a Q&A session video. So if you want कि next Tuesday मैं आपके question का भी आंसर दूं तो उसे comment box में डालना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा. Let's get started. So friends, the first question that has been asked by Ajay Singh, best book of Organon, easy to understand. So friends, basically the Organon textbook that I personally follow is textbook of Ari Dudgeon and textbook of Organon of Medicine of Dr. A.K. Das. Both these textbooks are extremely good. I refer the textbook of Ari Dudgeon for aphorism, and A.K. Das textbook has a very nice explanation of all the topics including force, acute diseases and all the important topics which are most frequently asked in your examinations. So I am not at all promoting these books, but these are the books that I have personally used and find it useful, so I am sharing it with you all. So moving on, the next question has been asked by Princess Angel 168. She wants to know, is taking vaccine safe? Friends, I took vaccine in January itself when no one else was vaccinated. I believed in vaccination because the world is full of negativity and whatever positive that we have is vaccine. Friends, there are people who are not at all responding properly to the vaccine, but that occurs in rarest of rare cases. And I request you all to not consider yourself as those rare person. Get yourself vaccinated as soon as possible from the nearest centers, because that is all how we can fight through this pandemic, this hard time. Next question has been asked by Prayantra Chitroda 101. He wants to know how to prepare gynecology questions and important questions for gynecology and obstetrics. So basically, when you are preparing gynae, you need to prepare all the important topics, and basically as a homeopath, the most important topic which is most frequently asked is the management of all the diseases, because there are certain problems that a homeopath cannot help and you need to manage the case till hospitalization. So that is the main thing, that you need to focus on all the topics that you study. With all above, we have a certain criteria like definition, the types, the pathogenesis, how it develops, what are the signs and symptoms, that is clinical features, management, treatment, and homeopathic treatment is extremely important. Also friends, if any of you want to avail the notes, you can click on the join button and take the channel subscription for the handwritten notes of Organon, Materia Medica, Surgery, Ops and Gynecology, which will be extremely important for your preparation of examination. So I request all of you to go for it. Moving on, the next question has been asked by Gunjan Tiwari. She wants to know some tricks to make Organon strong. So basically, आप Organon के aphorism पे concentrate करो, आप समझो Organon का मतलब क्या है. Because when you are talking about Organon, it is all about the knowledge that you can extract from it. So basically आप Organon strong करने के लिए aphorism के ऊपर concentrate करो, because आप अपने theory paper में या फिर अगर आप प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो, दोनों में aphorism का बहुत important role होता है. So you concentrate on the aphorism, and also आप notes जो भी ऑर्गेनॉन के हैं आपके पास, या फिर आप कोई भी टेक्स्ट बुक रेफ़र करते हो, उसे बहुत थॉरोली पढ़ो. एंड एग्ज़ाम के लिए मैं सजेस्ट करूँगी आपको, आप प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल पे जितने भी वीडियोस एग्ज़ाम बेस्ड दिए. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हैज़ बीन आस्क्ड बाय अटारी होम्योपैथी, which are the best cases to treat in homeopathy. Friends, homeopathy has a wide scope. For all the cases that can be treated by any other pathy can also be treated by homeopathy, but the best cases that can be treated is जिन भी cases में suppression हुआ है, अगर कोई artificial chronic disease develop हो गई है due to continuous use of other pathies drugs, या फिर homeopathy के ही जो कि सिमिलिमम नहीं थे, उनकी वजह से अगर कोई भी डिजीज़ डेवलप हो गई है तो उसके लिए होम्योपैथी बहुत अच्छा काम करती है. एंड ऑल्सो अगर सप्रेशन हुआ है किसी भी डिजीज़ में, सपोज स्किन डिजीजेस है उनमें सप्रेशन हो गया है, इन दैट केस ऑल्सो होम्योपैथी प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. Moving on, the next question has been asked by Mustabin Kazi, which are easy learning books for parasitology and microbiology. So friends, basically the textbook that I refer for microbiology and parasitology, I refer Dr. C.P. Baweja textbook, and for parasitology I refer the Paniker's textbook of parasitology. Both these textbooks are used by me, so I personally recommend this textbook. It is not at all a promotion, but just because I have used, I can share it with you as well. Moving on, the next question has been asked by Sanket Singh. Can we study Kent repertory in second year? So obviously you can start to study anything in any year, but the fact is that जो हमारे सब्जेक्ट्स डिवाइडेड होते हैं वो कहीं ना कहीं हमारी नॉलेज पे बेस्ड होते हैं. आप सीधे 12th से आते हो तो आपको एनाटमी फिजियोलॉजी पढ़ाया जाता है, क्योंकि फिजियोलॉजी आपने कहीं ना कहीं 12th में पढ़ा होता है. नेक्स्ट ईयर व्हेन यू आर डन विद द फिजियोलॉजी, आपके साथ पैथोलॉजी इंट्रोड्यूस की जाती है कि उस नॉर्मल फंक्शनिंग में जो भी चेंजेस आते हैं आप किस तरीके से उन्हें समझोगे. मूविंग ऑन, थर्ड ईयर में आपको सर्जरी से इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया जाता है, जब ऐसी डिजीजेस होती हैं, कुछ ऐसी पैथोलॉजीज होती हैं जो कि सिर्फ मेडिकेशन से ट्रीट नहीं की जा सकती. तो फ्रेंड्स, जब आप केंट रिपर्टरी सेकेंड ईयर में पढ़ना शुरू करोगे, देर आर सर्टेन रूब्रिक्स दैट यू वोंट अंडरस्टैंड. सो आई एम नॉट एट ऑल सेइंग दैट इफ यू स्टार्ट स्टडिंग you won't understand anything. Obviously you will understand, but there will be certain topics that will be lacking. So if you want to study Kent repertory from second year, you are most welcome. You can study that, but you need to be thorough with the introduction part. आप अच्छे से समझ लो कि उस चैप्टर में है क्या, उस सब्जेक्ट में आपको क्या पढ़ना है. आप जो समझ पा रहे हो अपने ईयर के अकॉर्डिंग आप समझो, कि जब फर्दर आपको फोर्थ ईयर में वो सब्जेक्ट पढ़ना हो तो आप उसके साथ ऑलरेडी रूबरू रहो, ताकि आपके लिए समझने के लिए आसानी हो जाए. Moving on, some of you requested me to upload certain topics like mesmerism, idiosyncrasy, susceptibility. Friends, I have uploaded all the 3 videos. आप चाहो तो उसे आई लिंक पे क्लिक करके देख सकते हो. So friends, yes, we are done with today's Q&A session. अगर आप चाहते हो कि नेक्स्ट ट्यूसडे मैं आपके क्वेश्चन का भी आंसर करूँ तो प्लीज़ कमेंट बॉक्स में डाल दीजिएगा. ऑल्सो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको मेरे चैनल की वीडियोस पसंद आते हैं तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बेल आइकन प्रेस करिए कि आप इनसाइड ऑर्गेनॉन के अपकमिंग अपडेट्स मिस ना करो. थैंक यू.